Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying power and basic path integrity. First, make sure the unit has mains and the correct fuse, replace any blown fuse. Next, measure DC rails at the amplifier board. The absence of expected plus or minus voltages explains silence. Once done, inspect input jacks and speaker terminals for loose pins or shorts because a disconnected return or short often mutes output. These steps isolate whether the problem is power, front end, or speaker connection. You now trace the signal to find where it stops. Inject a 1 kHz tone into the input and follow it through the preamp using an oscilloscope or a safe headphone tracer. This tells you if the preamp or power amp is failing. Then inspect coupling capacitors and op-amps for visible damage and test transistor bias points because drifted bias or open coupling caps block audio. Finally, measure output stage components and speaker terminal DC offset to confirm amplifier. You finish by replacing identified faulty parts and restoring correct bias. Swap bad electrolytic caps, burned resistors, or blown output transistors with matching values. This corrects common no-sound causes. Once components are replaced, reassemble and set the amplifier idle bias according to service values, ensuring speaker terminal DC offset stays under 100 millivolts. Then test with a real audio source and speakers at moderate volume. If still silent, check speaker continuity and rerun the signal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.